I'm logged into the Oracle Analytics Cloud embedded within my FDIP environment. This is the homepage where business users will log in using the URL available after implementing FDIP. Let's explore the analytical content that is available out of the box. I'm going to click the navigation menu and select Catalog, which is where you can find all analytical dashboards and workbooks. I'll navigate to Shared Folders within Catalog and then open the Oracle folder. All of the out-of-the-box content is available in the Oracle folder. You will see the pillar-specific folders to which you are subscribed based on your FDIP implementation. Let's start our exploration with Fusion Supply Chain Management. Here, you can see multiple functional areas. I'll select the Order Management functional area. I see 3 pre-built analyses within the Order Management functional area. Let's look inside the Open Sales Order analysis. This workbook analyzes the open sales orders by sales business unit, inventory organization, product category, customer, and fulfillment line status. This dashboard reports on the top 10 backlog customer orders. Let's navigate back to the Oracle folder and this time explore Fusion Human Capital Management. Here we will browse the Overview Dashboards folder. Within the Overview Dashboards folder, we will open the Workforce Management dashboard. This dashboard shows an overview of various business metrics related to headcount, retention, and diversity. The dashboard filter allows you to select the relevant data for your analysis. Let's navigate back to the Oracle folder and select the Fusion Customer Experience folder. Here, you can see all the functional areas currently available for customer experience. We'll click into the Sales functional area and open the Leads folder. Then, we'll open the One Revenue by Lead Channel dashboard. This dashboard provides insights into which lead channels contribute to the highest won revenue. As a final part of our exploration, let's navigate to the last pillar, Fusion Enterprise Resource Planning. Here, I will select the General Ledger functional area. Within the General Ledger functional area, I'll open the Balance Sheet Analysis workbook. This workbook provides insights into the composition of assets and liabilities of the business and draws a quarterly balance sheet. Now that we've explored the out-of-the-box content, let's go back to the catalog and create a custom visual. Remember, you will require Oracle Analytics Cloud skills to create custom workbooks. Let's start by creating a blank workbook. We'll first need to select a dataset. Within the Add Data dialog box, you have a list of available subject areas. Within the Add Data dialog box, you will require Oracle Analytics Cloud skills to create custom workbooks. Let's start by creating a blank workbook. We'll first need to select a dataset. Within the Add Data dialog box, you have a list of available subject areas. These subject areas could be available to you out of the box, or they can be subject areas that you have customized. Business users will be able to access specific subject areas based on their security privileges. Let's choose the HCM Workforce Core subject area. We want to create a visualization showing headcount by age band. We'll start by expanding the Bands folder and then expanding the Age Band folder. We'll then double-click on Name, and the list of age bands it defined shows up in a tabular report. Now from the Workforce Headcount Facts folder, let's drag and drop headcount to the visual. We now have a tabular headcount report by age band. If we want to visualize this information differently, we can use the visualization dropdown to create a bar chart or, say, a pie chart. In this short demo, we learned how to locate the available out-of-the-box analytical objects, and we also saw how OAC skills can be leveraged to create custom visualizations and reports.